station tendency.
Hey there, I'm Conan O'Brien, and I wake up every morning with Al Roker on the 2, and now you're local on the 8.
Currently in our area, 82 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, widely scattered showers and thunderstorms should diminish as the evening progresses. Low, 69. Winds west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain, 30%. And on Sunday, intervals of clouds and sunshine. High, 82. And Sunday night, generally fair. Low, 60. Winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. The week ahead. Traffic congestion for our area.
I Wake Up with Al. Weekday mornings on the Weather Channel. Everyone can wake up with Al.
Everybody, Massachusetts, where the work is over.